Welcome back, everyone. I got some exciting footage for you today. I attended the SEFF event over at Hodges Field yesterday. SEFF is I'm gonna look at Southeast Electric Flight Festival. It went on all this last week. It's today's the last day, I believe it is. And while I was there, they had the combat going on, and the last round, Russ, the pilot and owner of the plane that you're gonna get footage of here in a minute, was looking for a GoPro to put on there, and I happened to be at the right location at the right time, so we got this footage. And in this episode, or in this round, he was flying the plane that the other planes were trying to knock down. That was their goal, was to knock him out of the air. And so we got the footage of that with my GoPro. So without further ado, try to keep this short. And but this is uncut, unedited, other than adding, attributes to Russ for being the pilot and whatnot. And but other than that, it's going to be uncut footage of the aerial combat. So hope you enjoy. And remember, you've seen it right here, Fooling Around RC. Have a great day.
Getting ready.
Same thing with everybody else.
Hey, you want one picture, right?
You want any sort of angle?
So wait, line up, you guys, right here. Line up, because we'll launch into the wind. Line up right here, and then what we're gonna do is take a picture, and then we'll do it. Okay. Line up, everybody. Where do you want to go? Okay.
What do you want me to do?
Hold it down for the picture.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
All right, put on your war face.
Hold on, can you go there?
Hang on 1 second.
Come on, Austin. Just hold it.
That's good. All
Pirate?
right.
Pirate?
Okay, we're gonna go 5 minutes. The way this will go is
that'd be good.
5 minutes, you guys.
And we'll need to lay down and
if
let it
nobody brings
initialize.
down,
The jar is
you guys
initialized.
Okay.
One more round, we'll do one more, then we're done. And again, remember, this plane is worth $10,000. So it's a huge deal.
Well,
If you said the reward for bringing it down was $10,000, it's going down in 5 feet.
I would run after it myself.
okay, we're ready to party.
Okay,
right,
the
ready?
big plane's gonna launch first, then I'm gonna yell fights on, and then you guys all launch however you want. You might,
All right.
sometimes you wait a
Motors
second
on.
so that everybody else
Hope everyone enjoyed that. I sure did. But I also want to give a shout out and thanks to Russ for the opportunity to put my GoPro on his plane. Great flying, brother. And I appreciate it. I'm going to have more footage and whatnot of the event and stuff went on yesterday. So stay tuned for that. Pictures and and videos from the event, from the flying. So, other than that, y'all have a blessed one and a great day. Take care.